Aubrey, Chewy's watching a bird video. Look at it. Ah! Chewy, he's been watching this video for like a half hour. Yeah. Whoa! I came up here and he was looking at the TV making all kinds of noises. Oh, Chewy, look at the birds. Chewy, look. There's a bird. Chewy's watching the birds, Aubrey.
Oh.
Do you like birds?
I did birds.
Yeah? You eating your yogurt? You got your pretty dress on, but we had to wear a bib over it. Chewy loves these birds. He's going crazy. I came up and he was like, he was going, Aubrey. What are you doing with that yogurt?
More.
More? Here, I'll help you. Yay! Did we say was it Gugu's birthday yesterday?
Yeah.
You turning that on for Chewy so he can go nights?
Mm-mm.
You want to give him a blankie and a little stuffed animal like you get?
Oh, no, night.
He goes nights. Look, he's still watching his video of the birds. Hear him? Ah! He's making noises. Did you hear him, Aubrey?
Yeah.
You want Mama?
Yeah.
Can you show everyone who those are? Is that your Dodo and your Dolly?